Hello, I'll be your host today and we'll be showing you how to make moo moo milk. First, we need a couple of items like these jars right here. A couple of other items that you can find at the Dollar Tree will work too. We also need labels like this here. I'll provide a link in the description. Alright, let's begin. First, what you're going to do is print out a label like this here. Then we're going to get these out. And we're going to glue the label onto the milk jar. Just apply that on. We're going to glue that on like so. Then we're going to undo our jar. And now comes the dangerous part. We get the hot glue gun. Once you have your hot glue gun ready, you aim it like this, but make sure you don't hold the jar because it's going to get very hot from the hot glue. The label didn't reach all the way around. I should have printed it a little bit differently. That's okay. Next, we take our jar. Screw it on. And bam! You have a little jar of moo moo milk. Pretty simple, huh? Look, 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 look.
The cap's on, stupid.
Kawaii. Trash.